The Tupolev Tu-144, once a Soviet engineering marvel, is making headlines again in 2025, and this time, not as a relic of the Cold War. The iconic supersonic jet, often dubbed the Concordski, due to its striking resemblance to the Concorde, is now being reconsidered for a comeback in a radically modernized form. While this might sound like science fiction, Russian aviation authorities and Tupolev engineers have been working on a bold reimagination of this aircraft, taking cues from the original but building it from the ground up with today's technology. Back in the 1970s, the Tu-144 was a symbol of Soviet pride. It became the world's first commercial supersonic transport to fly, even before the Concorde. However, despite its technical achievements, it was plagued by reliability issues, high operating costs, and limited range. It was retired from passenger service after just 55 scheduled flights. But now, in 2025, the dream of supersonic commercial travel is being revived globally, and Russia doesn't want to be left behind. The new version of the Tu-144 isn't a direct resurrection of the old airframe. Instead, it's an all-new supersonic transport inspired by the original's vision. Designed using advanced composite materials, next-gen propulsion systems, and digital flight controls, the 2025 Tu-144 aims to be quieter, more efficient, and safer than ever before. Aerodynamic improvements have also addressed one of the biggest challenges of supersonic flight: noise. Engineers are using advanced shaping and noise-canceling technologies to drastically reduce the sonic boom effect. At the heart of this new aircraft lies a highly advanced engine, rumored to be derived from both military and civilian aerospace programs. Unlike the old NK-144 engines that guzzled fuel and emitted excessive noise, the new propulsion system is expected to meet international environmental standards while delivering sustained supersonic speeds over Mach 1.8. That's nearly twice the speed of today's fastest commercial airliners. Inside the cabin, the experience is set to be nothing like the 1970s version. Gone are the cramped rows and noisy interiors. In their place, expect luxury seating, personalized digital interfaces, and a pressurization system designed to reduce fatigue on long journeys. Early renderings also show panoramic smart windows that can tint automatically and display real-time flight data or scenery projections. One of the most impressive goals of the 2025 Tu-144 project is its proposed route map. The aircraft is being designed for key business corridors: Moscow to Beijing, Paris to New York, Tokyo to Dubai, routes where time truly is money. Flight times could be slashed in half compared to current wide-body jets, giving it strong appeal among business travelers and premium service carriers. Of course, building a supersonic airliner in today's aviation climate is no small task. There are significant regulatory hurdles, especially regarding overland supersonic travel. But Tupolev's parent companies are reportedly working closely with international aviation authorities to develop flight paths that minimize environmental and acoustic impacts. What makes the 2025 Tu-144 story especially fascinating is the geopolitical angle. In an era where countries are racing toward green aviation and next-gen mobility, Russia's decision to revisit and reinvent the Tu-144 may signal its intent to reassert leadership in aerospace innovation. This isn't just about making a fast plane, it's about pushing boundaries and making a statement on the global stage. With prototypes expected to begin testing within the next couple of years, and a target entry into service in the early 2030s, the reborn Tu-144 could reshape what we expect from long-distance air travel. Whether it flies or flops remains to be seen, but one thing's for sure, the skies are about to get a lot more interesting. Let us know in the comments what you think about the return of the supersonic Tu-144. Would you fly on it? Stay tuned for more updates on this and other cutting-edge transport stories, right here on Cars Experts.